had a Trailblazer in a while.
We have not.
It's been a minute.
Probably more than a minute. Because a minute was like earlier before, and like Urban Dictionary minute.
Yes.
It's a different story.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's it coming?
Making high power.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's she bought it like this, and it was, I guess the LS2 blew up or something, and so it's got an iron block in it. So we don't know if it's LQ4 or LQ9, but it's got an LS7 cam and like Cook's headers and exhaust.
With cats, I can smell them.
Yeah, and like an air intake or something. That's all we know.
Okay.
But yeah, it made like 394 already.
Damn, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. More than I thought it would make.
Yeah, I was thinking 360 or something.
That's what I was thinking, 375, 380.
Iron block, it's ready for boost then.
I mean, they're all ready for boost.
I'm just saying.
Everything's ready for boost.
You might as well boost it. All right, let it rip.
Tater chip.
Yep.
Take fucking Cletus's fucking line.
It's because it's Richard Rollins.
I like Cletus more than Richard Rollins.
I agree.
Just saying.
So we got a little Mamo MSD going on this thing too?
Yep.
Nice. Body kit. Oh yeah. I like it. It looks like the BMW color, the M4, Yas Marina blue.
You know what? Is it Laguna Seca, or am I thinking of something else?
You're thinking of an E46 M3.
Okay.
LSB, yeah. They name them after racetracks. Like this color and the new one is Yas Marina, named after the circuit.
Yeah.
So Matt, what do you got going on this?
Putting a torque converter in it. For starters.
For starters.
Yeah.
Sweet, so a little converter. I think we're doing a cam as well later and some pistons.
Cam.
Okay. And the reason we're doing pistons is because this is an LT1. People might think it's a LT4 Z01, but it is not. So these do not have forged pistons, the LT1s. The LT4s do. So not sure if he's prepping it for boost down the road, but
I was kind of wondering that too.
yeah, because we're not doing a blower or anything, so I'm guessing he just wants to do it now and then later on do a blower. I mean, while you're in doing a cam, it's kind of...
Yeah, you're right there.
Kind of. You gotta take the pan and get it off anyway, so.
Still hot.
Is it really?
What color did you say this was?
This is, I was correct, so I checked his Instagram out and stuff. He did respray, he resprayed the whole thing. He resprayed it a BMW color, Yas Marina blue. So just a full respray, not a wrap. He did a good job too, I mean, everything. Door jams, hinges. I believe that basically is what it looked like before. Almost the same exact car. So, as you can see, the 50th anniversary calipers, which are the same on that 50th anniversary. I believe that was the original color too.
Yep. Oh man, but there was an M3 at Harbor Freight you would have loved.
Oh yeah?
It was that crazy yellow color. Like yellow gold. Was that a factory color, Eric?
What's that?
That BMW, that was a factory color, right?
Oh, yeah. It was probably Phoenix yellow.
That sounds right.
It
Dude,
looks like mustard.
We were talking to the guy.
It was in an older one or a newer one?
Newish.
Oh, okay.
It was roundish.
Well, if it,
Newish, like.
well, they on the E46 M3 they made a Phoenix yellow that everybody hated, but now it's like
That's it.
That's okay. That's Phoenix yellow.
I did not find it attractive.
Yeah, most people don't. I
Wheels
don't.
are nice.
Don't say I never gave you anything, buddy. Here you go.
Oh, look at
Just for
that.
me?
Yeah, that stuff underneath is for the blower for that V that I'll probably redisconnect.
Innovative West sticker and all.
Yeah, with the guy who owned that BMW, he starts talking to us about like RPM and shit like that.
Yeah.
And his buddy that's with him, they start talking about, and I'm like, they're like, where's it at? I'm like, down by the farmer's market. And the guy's like, which farmer's market? Because there's a farmer's market right near my house too.
One 5 minutes away.
Yeah, and yeah, exactly.
273, the same.
Well, there's one near my house called Goose Corner Farmer's Market. And the guy's like, oh yeah, right around us. And I'm like, yeah, I live off the road. And he's like, oh yeah, so does this guy. And I'm like, he's like, yeah, I live in which is the neighborhood I grew up in when I was younger. Ends up being my neighbor, my old neighbor from 25 years ago. Yep. And he just ran into my parents recently.
What?
He's like, dude, he's like, I just ran into your parents recently.
That's really
Yeah,
funny.
it was crazy. He hadn't seen me literally since I was 5 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, his name was John, and I haven't seen him forever. I was like, what's your last name? And he said it, and I'm like, John. He's like, yeah. I was like, that's funny, dude. It's a small world.
That is pretty funny. fast work of that.
Yeah, man.
So old pistons are out.
Yeah, just putting the cam back together.
Nice. Transport, we did a cam and A&A bar, meth kit, and...
Cam headers, meth kit, blower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yep. I remembered this time.
And we put a tire on it.
We did put a tire on it. And it will need it. Might have a new record for the highest first pull.
Well, this did have a cam before.
But does that have anything to do
I
with
don't know, I mean, I already had like a tune in it.
Which I use none of.
Alright, that's a good point. What was it? Shut up and just tell me what the number was.
It's because it had a cam before, doesn't mean.
Oh my god. What was it?
I'm not telling you. You just have to figure it out yourself.
6:15.
No.
What was
Our
the
old
last
record was higher than that.
Well, yeah, I'm trying to remember what the old one was. 6:22 or something like that. 6:20.
I think it was 6:31.
That really? Okay. I love pissing you off. So I had a cam in it before with fixed heads, same exhaust setup, different intake. We added our heads cam, Bearer M, and Nemo MSD.
And clutch.
And a clutch, correct. I'm talking about things that make power.
Just letting you know what we did.
Thanks, buddy. You're the best.